It starts with something small, a thought, a deadline, a message you didn't expect, and your brain doesn't debate it, it reacts. Within seconds, the alarm system deep inside your brain turns on. The amygdala signals danger, even if nothing is physically attacking you. To your body, stress is stress. A command is sent downward. The adrenal glands respond almost instantly. Adrenaline floods your bloodstream. Your heart rate increases, not gradually, noticeably. Every beat is now preparing you for action. Blood pressure rises, more oxygen is pushed toward your muscles. At the same time, your breathing changes. It becomes faster, shallower. Not because you chose it, your body is prioritizing speed over calm. Blood begins to leave non-essential systems. Digestion slows down. Your stomach tightens slightly, as if the body has decided this is not the time to process food, but to survive something else. In your liver, stored glucose is released into the bloodstream. Quick fuel, readiness energy. And inside your brain, attention narrows. The world feels less wide, less detailed, but more immediate. Everything irrelevant fades into the background. If the stress continues past a few minutes, another system joins in. Cortisol. It doesn't act fast like adrenaline. It sustains the response, keeping your body on alert, keeping resources available. But this state was never meant to last long. Because after about 10 minutes, if nothing resolves, your body is still running an emergency program designed for escape or action in a situation where there may be nowhere to run. And that is where stress stops being a moment and starts becoming a burden. This is your body's survival system. Powerful, fast, and always ready whether you want it or not.